Menteri break mi Tnat Excise ke Sarkar Jelau ba Kyrmen Shylla ula pentip ba Tnat kan ai license Thymmai Shuh banbu Dukan de Kyiad ha Jela. Kan ba Tnat kampala banbu dien ha bede ba jingdon ki Dukan de Kyiad ha Jela. Haba kerani gelat patai kubor ha shitrik uya yong arajar arpusan uba Kyrmen Shylla ulong ba Tnat kala betha ki officer banbu dien ha bede bat jingdon ki Dukan de Kyiad ha Jela kamta ma bede ba Dukan ki Bran Marjan bat ke hospital lani ki Jaka Pulia. Ubah Kyrmen Shylla ulai tu baik negara lashim hadian balayok kejing ujor nagi try Dukan Kyiad kibeldan lupa bakim dan kejing dia ne bakim yo nong Shuh nama kejing sedang bon pelak Dukan ha kejuk kejaka. Ubah Kyrmen Shylla ulong ru bala ragi Dukan giduna ha kawe kejaka ndra kejing dia kelong bahaya katenat kakwa aban ai license ndra ikani on le tat hadu baki nong apply license ki pendap lot kejing dan kam tam ha kabedai bat ke NOC ni kerang ba shnong. Halur kejeng kena barang Dukan Kyiad ajan skol bagi Jaka Pulia, Menteri ulong ba Tnat Excise kan sepet yakum kena kekam ndrai haduk menta kam padan kanu-kanu ke license ke Thymmai ka ba Tnat kala ai. Uba Kyrmen Shylla ulong ba Tnat kamla benda Dukan ke beladan lupa ha kita ke Jaka. Ndrai lada ki try Dukan ki kwa ben kenria no shawai ke Tnat kenira peki kenang bakin du onong.
As of now, we have stopped all this license for the retail shop and even for the bonded warehouse as of now. So the reason that we stop it is that to monitor all these things, where is their location located, and then the numbers of we do have the numbers, no doubt, but we want to do a study where exactly to increase the number of this wine shop if needed in future. So for this, no doubt, whenever we have the number one paper, the most required paper is that the NOC from the local headman. So whenever we have, the applicant, he have this NOC from the Ramba Shnong, and then he can go ahead with a different kind of paperwork to be completed, and then go ahead with the license. So we issue a license only when they have this NOC from the headman. So as per your question, you mentioned about that some located near to schools or near to hospitals. So if there is such kind of things, we can look into it, because we will not issue any new license to those. The existing, the old one, it might have been there. It's not in my knowledge yet, but the new one we will never issue, because there are procedure to be followed. So which we will not allow that to happen. And then we will make sure no new license to be issued in this as per the criteria. So it has to be followed strictly the criteria. So that is the norms to be followed, and we will do that. We'll make sure that it happens. The reason we stop is for that only. We have a few complaints, and then from the existing wine shop mentioning that there are times that they don't have a proper sale, which is difficult for them. So based on that complaints, we stop it, and then we will study the case, and then only we'll go ahead with a new license. And even for that also, if suppose today we saw a number of wine shop is very less in one particular area, but the sale is high, we want to give a license, we cannot issue it directly until unless they avail those papers required.
But what about the existing ones?
The existing, it carry on. Relocation will be only done if they request for relocation. The applicant has to do that. The existing, we cannot touch them, we cannot relocate them from the department until unless they request for it.
So the officials will carry out a spot visit to the areas where are plenty?
Actually, sports visit, it has been done from time to time, because we have officers in all the district level, so they have done that. That is the duty.